In my country, Ghana, you have to request NMC Ghana to send your verification by post, which can take weeks. But in the UK, it's a whole different story. It's completely online, totally free, and it takes less than 2 minutes. I have been getting a lot of questions about how to send your UK NMC verification to your Board of Nursing in the US, Australia, Canada, or to agencies like CGFNS, WES, and ERES. Let me show you exactly how to do this step by step. Hello there, welcome back to the channel. My name is Manuel. Before we start, let's welcome our new channel members, and they are Otis, Nene, Asi, and Solomon Lydia Bako. They are our new channel members. So if you want to be a channel member, just go onto the channel. You will see join. Just click on join and you can join any of the channel membership. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing we are going to do is to go onto our NMC online portal and log in. So I'll go in here, I'll put in my email address and I'll click on login, and it will take me to this section where I will see my NMC pin, my fee expiry date, revalidation application, renewal date, and so on. So I'm going to click on the 3 dots on the right corner here, and I'll see account services, my registration, help, contact us, and log off. So we'll go to my registration, and when you click on my registration, these are going to show up. You see my details, equality and diversity, update personal details, and let's skip all of these and go to the bottom, and you will see request a certificate of current professional status, and that's what we are going to do. So we will click on that one, and when you click on it, it will take you to the next session. So it involves 3 steps. And the first step is for you to confirm that you want NMC UK to send your documents over. And it says that please confirm the following. Confirm that I have applied to the relevant licensing or registration board and they have asked me to supply a certificate of current professional status. So we are going to click on that one, and we're also going to click on the next one, third one, and the 4th one. These are all just giving NMC UK the go ahead to send your documents over, and you're going to click on the next section. Now the second stage involves you choosing the country that you want your documents to go through or your registration to go through. So you are going to select your country, and the most popular ones are Australia, US, New Zealand, Canada, Qatar. They are the first ones. So Qatar, United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, South Africa, Bermuda, and so on. So if you don't see the country in the first part of the list, you go on to the second one, which is in alphabetical order. But we are going to use USA for this process. So we click on USA, and it will take us to the next session, and it will access the licensing or the registration board that we want to send the documents over. So if you click on it, it will tell you all the nursing board in the United States and also all the credentialing agencies in the United States. And the first one is Alabama Board of Nursing. Alaska is in order. So you can also see CGFNS International in there. If you want NMC UK to send a certificate of professional status to CGFNS to say that you are indeed registered with the UK NMC, you click on CGFNS, and let's scroll down. You can also see Continental Testing Services International, and if you want this to be sent to ERES, which is Educational Records Evaluation, you click on that one. And yes, there are a lot. So you have all the Board of Nursing in the United States on this section. And let's see if we can locate the popular Texas Board of Nursing. Yes, so you can see Texas Board of Nursing there. And also, if you want this to be sent to the World Education Services in USA or WES, you click on that one. Now let's say we want to use Texas Board of Nursing. No, let's use CGFNS instead. You click on CGFNS, and automatically you see that their address has been added. Now underneath you see application reference number, which says if you have been provided with one. So everyone has a unique ID when they are doing their CGFNS registration or their Board of Nursing registration. You get a unique ID number, so you can put it in here to make the tracking of your documents or your registration easy. And after everything, you click on the small box here, and it says that I understand that by signing up to this process, my data will be transferred outside of the UK, and that data protection laws in some countries may not be equivalent to those in UK. We don't care about all of these. So you click on submit, and that's it. You have sent all your documents across. So if you want to do this same process for your Board of Nursing, it's the same steps. You click on your Board of Nursing, you put your unique ID code in there, and you click on submit. And that's it with how to send your registration over to your board of nursing or to your credentialing agencies. Now, if you are in Ghana or UK and you need someone to help you with your MOH clearance, follow up with your NMC applications or your NMC submission, or you need help with your CGNF registration, your board of nursing registration, WES registration, contact Leon Anklet Pro Solutions. They've been doing this for the past years and the success stories are mind-blowing. And don't forget to check the Anklet playlist, which will be showing on the left corner here, and you are going to see sample Anklet questions that will help you in your final exams. My name is Manuel. Subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Bye.